Hello everybody, welcome to this channel again. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit an amazing text animation on CapCut mobile. So for that you have to open your CapCut application. Now you can see there are two options, new project and AutoCut. Click on the new project. Now select your desired video that you want to edit and put your text on it. So I'm going to add this picture as a demo. Okay, you can see the background video is on the timeline. Now you can see there is an option named text. Click on the text button. Now add text. So now you can write anything like this is my home. Now you can see there is an option named font. You can change the font. Which one do you like? You have to select it. Let me select this one. I think this one looks good. Now after that you can see an option named style. Click on it. You can change the color, stroke, canvas, shadow, spacing, bold, italic, anything. Now I'm going to change the style to yellow with a black border. Now there are two options like size and opacity. You can increase or decrease the size. I think this one is okay. Now there is a stroke. Stroke is actually the border. If you want to make your border thick, then increase the thickness, or if you want to decrease it, make it less. I think this one is better. Now there is another option, canvas. You can select any canvas here, like this is the background. Let me choose the black one. After that you can choose the opacity like this. You can choose the height as well as the width, anything from here. Then there is an option effect. You can use these templates as anything you want. You can use this glow effect. There are many effects you can see. You can use any of them. Set the basic option. There are so many other effects and luminance. You can add the glows, multicolor. You can add multicolor in your text, yellow, red. There are many types of options here. You can choose anything that you like. So I think this one is better. Now there is bubble. You can use your text as a bubble. You can see there are many bubbles here. There are many styles. You can choose anything like this. I'm going to show you an example. Now this look like this. So that's all about bubble. I'm not going to use it, so I'm clicking on now animation. So that's the amazing part. There are a lot of premium level animations here, like elastic, telescopic. You can see the effect, elastic, telescopic, or chromatic, trailing, or anything. I'm just showing you the text. You can use anything from here. Isn't it very much cool? You see, the jolt forward option is my favorite. It looks really good. Then the glitch one is also good. The flatter, the fold, faulty text. Every animations here are premium level. They are not basic level. These are really incredible and looks very professional. So you can use any of these. Let me choose a better one. Let me choose the jolt forward. Now you can adjust the duration. Like if I increase this duration, the animation will be much longer. So okay, everything is done. Now click the tick mark and you can see that the video is ready. In this way you can make various type of amazing text animation on CapCut mobile. So if this video helped you, Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe.